guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can delete your Steam account. So guys, if you're trying to delete your Steam account but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it without any delays. So the first step is just open your app and make sure you're logged in. And now after that, just look at your top right corner where you can see your account name, and now just tap on it till you find account details, which should be right at the second right below view my profile. After you tap on account details, scroll all the way down till you find at the bottom delete my Steam account. So guys, if you tap on this button, you would be shown this page. So it will tell you all the method or all the things you should know about deleting your Steam account. So guys, in this way you can successfully delete your Steam account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.